daylilies, this is their season. They absolutely love the heat of the summer. And so a lot of different colors, more than just the yellow. Everybody's used to seeing the yellow.
Stella Dior. There's so many cool choices now.
Mm-hmm. There's some beautiful kind of burgundy ones out there that have a variegated yellow around the edge of them. So nice ones to put in. They're again heat loving, give them full sun. So I'd say whether you have shade or whether you have heat, we have a plant. We have Agastache. That's the other one I meant to mention, Agastache or hyssop. Very animal resistant plant, but the hummingbirds love this plant almost as much as they love the salvia greggii. But we all have salvia greggii in our yard, right? Which we still have a nice selection of. But it's nice to put something different in. In the Agastache, we have probably an orange and kind of a pinkish color. We have that in 3 or 4 colors as well.
Similar to Russian sage.